Hi Great Ours, I hope you are still happy and healthy in your homes. I've given you a few clues there for the sound that we are doing. Happy and healthy in your homes. Our sound is ha. The name is H and the sound it makes is ha, and I'm going to show you how to make a hat. You can use a big piece of paper or a piece of newspaper like this, and all you have to do is you take the one corner and the other corner and you bring them in until they're touching, and then squash a nice flat edge, and then you take the bottom bit up until it meets here. Lift that side up and squash. Flip your hat over, lift this side up and squash. And if you want to, you can also staple this side and this side to keep it together nicely. And just like that, you have made your very own hat. And once you've made your hat, you can practice writing H on it. You can do it like this, the capital H, and the small one. And all along the edge you can practice writing H, capital and small. Capital, look at how I'm writing it, and small. And now I'm thinking of something I could draw on my hat that starts with H, and it is a part of the body, and we find it at the end of our arms. What do you think I'm thinking of? That's right. I'm thinking of your hands. There's a thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers to make a hand. Now I'm thinking of something that starts with H. It's also a part of the body, but it's an organ inside your body, and it has a steady beat. Can you tell what I'm thinking of? That's right. I'm thinking about heart. So I can draw some hearts and color them in. And finally, I'm thinking of something that starts with H, and it's an emotion or a feeling, and it is the opposite of sad. Let's do some on this side. That's right, I'm thinking of being happy. Happy. So you can decorate your hat and try to think of as many things as you can that start with H. And I've got some examples here for you to have a look at. See if you can figure out what these things are over here that start with H.